So I'm really excited to do an unboxing today of a product that, can we call it pre-production? I mean, it's not something that you're going to find on store shelves or online just yet. This is by Elgato. It's called the Sidekick. And I first became aware of this, I'd say probably about a month or so ago on Harris Heller's channel, where he was talking about this device that he kind of rigged up, and then Elgato reached out to him and they produced 90 of these, and he hosted a giveaway for those 90 devices, and I was lucky enough to be chosen to receive one. Now, I just took delivery of this, so we're only going to do an unboxing today, but I'll come back and follow up with it in use and show you scenes of how I'm using it, et cetera, et cetera. I don't know if this will ever make it to market, but I will tell you, just looking at this box, it looks like this could be on a store shelf really soon. So you can see the packaging here. It is a sidecar monitor. It's a USB companion screen. When we talk about size, we're looking at 9 inches across, and it's both Windows as well as Mac friendly. And it says get it on Google Play. So I don't know if there's an app here or whatnot. You can see a daily companion uses a dedicated display for chat, widgets, toolbars, and more. Ready for anything, perfect for streaming, meetings, editing, live previews, anything. Perfect prompter, so you can use it as like a teleprompter. Works great as a confidence monitor or a teleprompter. It's got a rotatable stand, so a built-in kickstand that rotates 90 degrees for vertical or horizontal use. It's universal mounting, so it has a monitor bracket, cold shoe mounts, and a 1/4 inch thread. Multi-platform, as I mentioned, compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android, and a one cable simple setup. So a single USB-C connection for power as well as display. So that is everything that you see on the back. And you see how it just kind of attaches if you don't want to use the kickstand to the side of your monitor. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open, and we'll see what we get on the inside. So create greatness. Like I said, the packaging here looks like this is something that's ready to go to the market. So interesting. How does this open? I would assume on the sides. And it just pulls out. Yep, there we go. I'll just give it a little bit of a tug. And there we go. So let's go ahead and pull this out. We're running out of desk space here, so I'm going to set this aside, and I'll come back and show that to you in a minute. Let's get the box out of the way, at least for the moment. And nice recyclable packaging that you see right here. And then let's go ahead and lift this up. And we have a Sidekick quick start guide that is right here, and it's going to talk through everything that you need to know, I presume. So of course, desktop setup, threaded mount, monitor mount, remove both cold shoe rail covers, clean the back of your monitor, and then basically slide the Sidekick into the mount to confirm correct orientation. There is an adhesive backing from the mount that you can use to position it in the desired location. Press and hold firmly for 10 seconds to ensure adhesion. And then it talks about the mounting accessories and whatnot. And connecting the Sidekick, as you'll see, is done with the USB-C to USB-C cable that is included here. It also has a power button. It has Steam or Stream Deck integration, and you can download Elgato Studio for Mac OS or Windows to use that for teleprompting tools, voice sync, all of those sorts of things. There's other things in here such as software control, so you can actually dim the brightness and control all of those sorts of things. And then we get some warnings and whatnot. But let's go ahead and get further down into the package here. And that is the prompter right there. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. That's nice. We get an angled USB-C. This is a, let's see, 3.2 USB-C cable to USB-C cable with a 90-degree angle on one side, and it's 5 gigabits per second. So you do get a high speed of decent length braided cable there. That's really nice there. And then, of course, we have your safety information here. I believe this is our 3M adhesive that it talked about in the manual. And then here's that rail to slide it in. This is also 3M right there. So if you want to mount that to the back of your monitor, you can do that. I think I might try to use this as the kickstand instead of mounting. So we've got a little sticker here. You know what? I'm just going to slide it out if I can do that instead. Yep, I can. So I'll just slide it like that. And here it is. So it has a matte screen. It doesn't look glossy. Obviously, I can't turn it on right now. And it looks like here are the sides that you can, if I remember correctly, yep, slide these out just like that. So these are your rails. And I'll slide those out so we can take a look at that. Caution, secure the mount to your display before attaching the product and do not overload the cold shoe rail. So obviously if we're going to mount this to the side of our monitor, we're going to take those off, but I'm going to put those back on. We actually have mounting right here for your accessories as well as on this side. And then this looks to be the bottom because that's where our kickstand is. We've got our USB-C connector, power button, and then threading for mounting. So as we lift this kickstand out, really thoughtful because it looks like this will rotate. At least I think that's what it had said. Maybe not. I'm not going to force it. So I'll look into that a little bit more and see. But there's your kickstand, and that's it right there. So really nice looking. I have no idea if this is coming to market. We'll just give you a look at it up close. But the packaging insinuates that, I mean, this thing looks like it would be ready to come to market. I don't know how much we're talking in the forms of cost for something like this, but I definitely see a use case for it. It's quite nice. And yeah, I mean, I can see a purpose for it. So I'm going to get this all powered up. I'm going to run it through its paces. I will come back in a future video and I will show you how I'm using it, but also talk to some of the things that I enjoy about it. Again, that's your first look unboxing of the Elgato Sidekick. Huge thank you to both Harris Heller for sponsoring this whole giveaway, but then also to Elgato for choosing my comment that I left on the video about this and ultimately sending this off to me free of charge. So there you have it. It is the Sidekick. As soon as I get info on whether or not this is coming to market, I'll let you know. But stay tuned for even more content, especially on the Sidekick itself in action. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care and have fun.